We've all heard the news. CMS, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, requires all agents to record all their Medicare Advantage sales calls and store them for 10 years, beginning in AEP for plan year 2023. MedicareCENTER has your back. Our easy-to-use yet powerful call recording solution makes it easy to comply with this new regulation at no cost to you. Here, we'll show you how to make and receive recorded calls using a dedicated MedicareCENTER phone number, how to link those calls to contact records, and how to store and download those calls for 10 years as required by CMS. Let's get started. First, you can find your MedicareCENTER agent phone number in your MedicareCENTER account. It will be forwarded to the phone number in your account profile. Phone, tablet, landline, and voice-over IP solutions are all supported. This number is exclusive to you, so you can use it in marketing and sales materials and share it with clients and prospects. Any calls you receive to your MedicareCENTER agent phone number will route to your preferred personal device. You can change which personal device these calls route to in your account profile. When a contact calls your MedicareCENTER agent phone number, you'll see their number on your phone's caller ID. When you answer your phone, the call recording will begin. You'll also see an incoming call notification at the top of the page in MedicareCENTER, with a link to the required call disclaimers that you must read to the client within the first minute of the call, per CMS requirements. At any point during the call, you can use the incoming call notification to link to a contact record in MedicareCENTER Contact Management. Click the Link to Contact button to search for an existing contact by name or add and save a new contact. When the call is over, the recording will automatically be displayed in the contact's activity stream. Didn't get a chance to link the contact during the call or receive the call while away from your computer? Don't worry, you can find it in your MedicareCENTER dashboard. Link the call to an existing contact or create a new one, and the recording is automatically stored in that contact's record. Once you've saved a contact in Contact Management, you can click their phone number to place a recorded call to them at any time. MedicareCENTER's automated technology will make a phone call to your phone first. When you answer, MedicareCENTER will place a call to the contact using your MedicareCENTER agent phone number for the caller ID, and then connect you when they answer. The required call disclaimers will automatically be displayed in MedicareCENTER for you to read to the contact. When the call is over, you can find the recording in your contact's activity stream. You can make an outbound call from your MedicareCENTER agent phone number at any time to any contact, and it will automatically be recorded. Need to find a specific call? Activity stream filtering is available on the dashboard and on an individual contact's profile. This allows you to filter to specific activity types, like calls, to make tracking down the recording in question quick and easy. Your call recordings are only accessible to you and will be securely stored by MedicareCENTER for 10 years as required by CMS. You may download your recordings at any time, but please keep in mind that these recordings may include beneficiaries' personal health information. When you download calls to a personal device, you are responsible for storing any of them securely. Only calls made to and from your MedicareCENTER agent phone number will be recorded and available in MedicareCENTER Contact Management. Call recordings is a powerful new feature that integrates with MedicareCENTER's current easy-to-use contact management solution. While on a recorded call with a client, you can use Contact Management Quote and e-app features to quickly and easily send SOAs, quote, and enroll your clients directly from their contact record. All these interactions will be saved and stored as part of the client's activity feed. Using MedicareCENTER, you can now compliantly make and receive calls to better support clients and grow your book of business. For more information about call recordings and the rest of MedicareCENTER's powerful features built just for Medicare agents, please visit our Learning Center or contact your marketer today.